Okay, so we have a tiny fluff pillow. This is what you're gonna need for your knees, or you can have knee pads. But I find a fluff pillow is easier. So you're pretty much like this close to the thing where you're gonna put your knees. So you gotta put your knees here. So this is what I mean by all fours. As you can see, you're on all fours. You start on all fours. Kind of keep it here. Then step up onto this. Okay. I'll show you now. Working a camera at the same time. So then you're like, there's like a breathing technique. So you're basically against the butt. You're not to the side. You're not to the other side. You're kind of here. The hips are level. They're not up like this. They're like level. So you're kind of pushing yourself back. You can have it further like this. Okay, but the main thing is to tuck the hips under. So this part you're pushing down. This part you're pulling forward. Like your crotch is going to go to the ceiling up through your legs, if that makes sense. So kind of like using this hand here as proprioception. So it's like neural feedback for your body. So because being autistic, I have like not the greatest proprioception feedback, and also with mercury poisoning. So you tilt the hips up like this. So you should feel a big stretch here, which is where you wanted to feel it. And then so also you're going to open your quad here. So then you lean forward. Make sure this leg goes here, so you're like more of a 90-degree angle. You're going to kick into the wall for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And what that does is it activates your glute or your butt cheek to squeeze. So then you're getting a big stretch here. And it's an active stretch, and it'll build strength as well. So again, you're tilting. And then you can do breathing to lower down your immune system. Or not your immune system, but to down-regulate your nervous system. So you breathe in full, as slowly as you can. And you breathe out through your mouth as slowly as you can, to where everything becomes flat. And you do that really slowly. And obviously you rotate sides and do different sides the whole time. So that's what I do to get my Janeiro in regards to quad stretch.